Hi guys, welcome back to Sue's All-in-One channel. In today's video, I've come to a eat out in Bangalore. This place is one of the oldest chat shop of Bangalore, and it's 45 years old as well. So I thought I'll introduce this place to you guys. Most of you would also know this place already. So now let's go inside. I'm going to show you what are the options available here and what you should definitely try when you come here.
This place is called Karnataka Bale House, and for the people who have grown up in South Bangalore, this is one of our favorite places from our childhood days. The taste has never changed since generations, and visiting this place any day will make you come back for more. They have a menu of 5 items: masala puri, pani puri, bale puri, sev puri and aloo dahi puri. The masala used for making chats here are very unique, and that makes the taste of these chats mind-blowing. All the ingredients used in the chat is prepared in-house. They use modern equipments to prepare the ingredients. The professionals here prepare the chat in record time to serve their customers quickly. They serve thousands of plates per day. They have 6 outlets in Bangalore. Their main shop is in Chamrajpet and rest are in Jayanagar 2nd block, Chandra Layout, Srinivas Nagar, Malleshwaram and in Rajatadri Food Court in Jayanagar. So if you haven't visited this place, then you should definitely give it a visit soon. This unique machine which mixes the bale puri enhances its taste. The modern ice cream concepts have replaced the traditional softy ice creams of 90s, and this place still makes them, and the texture of the ice cream is extremely creamy and delicious. They have a dedicated team of professionals who make these amazing chats. You should definitely try masala puri, pani puri and bale puri when you visit this place. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.